Arif, Mike.
Taxation and other laws.
Yes.
Relaxation and amendment of certain provisions Bill 2020. Be it for extensions of various times limits, reduction of interest, waiver of penalty and prosecution for delay in payment of taxes or levies truly reflect the need of the hour. In fact, I would request the government to extend the time limit now proposed under several provisions further till the end of the financial year 2021. But what percentage of the population pays income tax in this country? Just 1.46 crore people, sir. That is just about 1% of the total population. I am forced to ask the government why they are not showing the same interest for the vast majority of the 99 people of this country who are more severely affected by this pandemic. When the government may say that they have given free ration for all eligible families for 6 months. So far, so good. But newspaper reports suggest that hunger deaths are still happening across India, as several deserving families are out of the PDS system without a ration card. Then, sir, is it possible to live with only rice or roti without cereals, vegetables, oil, other essential commodities, medicine, clothes, etc.? From where people will get these items without money? If the proposal of my party CPIM for directly crediting rupees 7,500 for all households outside the income tax bracket for 6 months has partially been accepted, and poor people of this country would have got at least one full meal a day. I request the government to heed their genuine demand at least now. The story does not end here, sir. The government had announced a moratorium on the loans taken from the banks with much fanfare, and common people believe that they will get breather during COVID. But this government betrayed the people of this country by refusing to waive the interest on loans even after the Honorable Supreme Court empathizing with the loanees. The government says that will affect the financial health of the bank. But during the last 5 years, when 38 willful defaulters flood this country in this last 5 years, including Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, appropriating millions of dollars, was this government sleeping? If this government has at least scant regard for the ordinary people of the country, I request it to show the courage to stood firm to direct the Reserve Bank to waive the interest during the moratorium period. Now let's come to PM KS fund. Sir, I don't have a better expansion to qualify this fund, which is nothing but PM citizen annoyance and ridicule the exploitative situation fund, sir. This is like a black hole, sir. It attracts everything into it, but nothing comes out of it. It is not a joke. The same government which denies the Kerala government to receive foreign or aid or rehabilitation after the 2018 floods. Yes. Yesterday, to escape from the answer, that is the reason why I believe the Honorable Finance Minister played a drama without answering the question on PMKs by entrusting the job to MOS Minister, who deliberately diverted the entire discussion, creating furor in the House yesterday, sir. Okay. Sir, what about the PM Care Fund? No one knows the complete composition of the trust. No one knows how much money has come as contribution till date. No one knows who has contributed to it. No one knows what government is going to do with the funds available. In Malayalam, very famous film, Vasantiyum, Lakshmiyum, Pinna Njanum, that was comprised of me, my brother and my sister, all of whom not responsible to anyone outside. Just like that, the trust is not embodiment to opaqueness and high-headedness of this government. The government acts like something to hide from the people of the country in this regard. So, I request.
Yeah,
I would like to 1 minute. The part of the one Honorable CM write to PM to a letter. The conclusive part. Okay. I read. Okay. I request you to intervene to correct this iniquity, which is in principle against the principle underlying cooperative federalism, and in practice adds to the fiscal trust of the state. Necessary changes may be brought into include contribution to the Chief Minister's Distress Relief Fund, also eligible as expenditure under corporate social responsibility.
Thank you.
I conclude. Thanks you.